Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Puerto Los Cabos Golf and Spa Resort. I'm currently in one of the junior suites. This particular one happens to be a garden view. It actually has a fantastic ocean view in the distance as well, but let me show you what this is all about. As we walk in the door right to my right, you're gonna have your Do Not Disturb and Makeup Room button. I love that they have that so you don't have to put something out on the outside that's gonna probably fall off and then get woken up. So I love that you just click the button there. And as we continue along, this is your secrets box. It's a great feature where they deliver room service. And what I love about that is maybe you're out on the balcony or step away for a minute, they're gonna deliver it right there and it'll be ready for you when you're ready. Let's head into the bathroom. As soon as you get in here, you can see it's a pretty good size and it has a huge double vanity. So over here on the vanity, you've got your hair dryer. So again, you've got this incense. I love that they have the incense at all of the Secrets resorts because my wife and I did our honeymoon at Secrets over a dozen years ago, and every time we light that upon return, we get those memories flooding right back to us. On the other side, you're gonna see the larger of the two vanities where you're gonna have your soaps, your upgraded amenities here, and then you're also underneath gonna have a little bench seat that pulls out. You have your scale and then the backlit magnifying mirror. Here you're gonna see your large jacuzzi soaking tub, even big enough for me. And over on the side, you have the toilet with a door that shuts off perfectly and helps save marriages. Here is your shower. It's really large. I'm a big guy. I can fit in here perfectly. You've got the rainforest shower head up above, and I love that you have that rainfall feature because it's so high up. Over here, you've got your shower wand and a nice little bench seat in the corner. As we head into the bedroom, you see you've got this love seat for two right there. I did want to point out it's more of an architectural feature, but if you want that sunlight to come on in when you're in the shower, or you just want to play a little game of peekaboo, it's perfect for that. Across from the chair, you're going to see your storage. So you've got storage up above, you've got your hanging storage, you have your iron and ironing board, you also have your safe. You have your robes and slippers. I love the spa here, just made me think about that. And of course, if you want to see the spa, you can see the spa or any of the sites on the property, including the restaurants, the lobby, the pools, on our full resort tour. As we head further in, you'll see that there is an extra large king-size bed. It's perfect for vacation. You've got the bench seat at the bottom and a little bit of storage underneath. On the side of the bed, you're gonna see that you have a US plug there. I always bring an extra USB splitter so I can take advantage of one plug and charge all of my devices. You have your phone, your remote, also a fan control right there. I love that they have a fan in here. I always like to sleep with the air moving. They also have the independent temperature control right next to the bed. That's absolutely perfect. I know my wife's gonna crank it up before we go to bed, and as soon as she falls asleep, it's heading right back down where it belongs. Now across from your bed, you've got your luggage storage, and just underneath you've got drawers. It's perfectly positioned right there. You've got your flat panel TV that also functions in addition to a television. You can get your room service menu, and you can also check out the different activities going on throughout the resort. You have your Nespresso maker right here with the Nespresso pods. They'll replenish those daily for you. And underneath, you're gonna have all of your glassware on this side, coffee cups, cutlery. And then on the other side, you're gonna have your fully stocked mini bar that they will replenish daily throughout your stay. Now in there, you're gonna have Coronita, some beer, some sodas, and you can change them out if you like. Now you have your small writing desk. It's perfect for what it is. You've got a US plug, two USB chargers, and then two more plugs here. This is perfect for our charging station, and I know Taylor really appreciates that, getting all the camera equipment charged. Right next to the bed, you're gonna have your tablet. This is a fantastic feature that they have at all Secrets resorts that has replaced the guide. So you remember those big, thick guides, you're trying to find out opening times, what restaurants they have, things along those lines. This is gonna have all of that. You have the spa menu, but my favorite feature is that you can order your room service directly from there. I can't tell you how many times I called room service. My wife changed her mind 4 or 5 times. I confused the heck out of the guy, and we ended up getting something that, well, we probably ordered, but didn't mean to. This is perfect. I hand it to her. She orders what she wants. It magically appears in the Secrets box, and we're both happy. So as we head out onto the balcony, I wanted to show that you can push this all the way back, shut the screen, and get a nice breeze coming through. And out here you have 2 chairs and a table. It's perfect for that cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening, or to take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu. As you can see from here, it is a garden view, but you do get the ocean in the distance. This is an entry-level room. They do have preferred club rooms at this hotel as well. And what we love about that is you get all kinds of upgraded amenities, from the check-in to taking advantage of that upgraded bar menu throughout your stay at the preferred club lounge, the preferred club pool, or that a la carte breakfast every single morning. So if you want to consider that, of course, we'll go through all those details for you when we book. But as you can see, this is a fantastic option. And when you're ready to book it, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the space inside and out, and we have a phenomenal relationship with them. And we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.